In this tutorial, I'll show you how to produce this image with Blender and Stable Diffusion. This is how the scene looks like, and I have a torus knot with a plane. The object can be anything, so please feel free to experiment with other meshes. If you don't see the torus knot plus in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I created the background plane like this. For this project, I'm using cycles with 8 samples, and I turned off the denoise option. I have created this tutorial to show you why it is better to use the depth map from Stable Diffusion, instead of using one from Blender. I'll show you how to quickly create a mist pass. Render the image, and save the mist pass image. Please save the render image as well, as we'll use that image for the depth map generation procedure in Stable Diffusion. I have loaded the Blender mist pass image, and I'll try to use that as the depth map to generate a new Stable Diffusion based art. I asked for the street background, but that's nowhere to be seen. The images look cool, but that's not what I was looking for. I'll import the Blender render image, and manually create a new depth map like this. I'll save this image, import it, and use it as the depth map. The Stable Diffusion's depth map method is the one I would highly recommend. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.